Hello guys, we are in Krabi, Thailand. It's super late, 12:30 at night, hence you can't see anything. Oh look, somebody's coming back. I just wanted to quickly show you how we are feeding ourselves in the survival mode here. So yeah, we haven't had a salad literally for days and days on earth, but really we haven't even fancied it, to be honest. We had loads of fruit and water, but tonight we really fancy a salad. I thought I followed Misfit Vegan's advice to bring tahini with me, which I did, the light one this time, which is much nicer than the dark one I normally use. This one is raw. I brought also the sweet oak smoked paprika. I also brought some sun-dried tomatoes and dates, which I didn't get to use because it's so late in the evening. I couldn't use the blender. So what I did instead of using, we didn't have lemon either. So instead of using dates and lemon, I'm using pomelo. And it's sort of slightly pink pomelo. The pomelos in Thailand are really nice, much nicer than the ones we have in UK. So hopefully it will give the nice, zesty, sweet flavor to our salad. I washed some lettuce. I had a beautiful, gorgeous, ripe, soft, big avocado, a few spring onions, a few cucumbers, no tomatoes today, unfortunately. And I mixed some tahini sauce with some paprika. I grated the garlic. I had the little grater with me, grated the garlic, and I'm going to pour that all over our salad, and we're going to have that. So I just thought to share that with you. I'm having my beans here, being that I'm getting rid of all the rubbish in there. And yeah, that's my lovely instrument that I bought to cut the coconuts, and as I don't have any other knife here, I have been using the cleaver for chopping the spring onions as well on the lid of the container. So yeah, can't wait to have the salad, and see you soon guys. Bye.